everyone, my name is Kat, and I'm here to teach you how to make my sing-along coloring book. Let's grab your materials and get started. Here's what you'll need to make the coloring book. First, a hole punch, or if you're making a smaller book, then individual hole punch and a ruler and pencil to help you out. Ribbon of any color, and scissors to cut the ribbon. And don't forget to print out your book. Let's make the book. Don't forget to draw your face on the front cover so we know who it is. You can write your name too. I'm going to start by separating my pages so that I can hole punch them. Make sure to press hard when you hole punch. I'm going to keep doing this with all the other sections of the book. Make sure to keep the pages in order. Next, I'm going to measure 2 lengths of ribbon. 1 and 2. That's 2 lengths. Then I'm going to cut that line. I'm going to do that 2 more times to make 3 pieces of ribbon. Next, I'm going to tie the ribbon in the holes that I made. I like to do bunny ears, like I tie my shoes. How do you like to tie ribbon? Once I'm done tying one hole, I'll complete the other 2 as well. And with that, you're all done. Let's see what it looks like. Awesome! Did yours turn out looking like mine? Now you can sing along and color with me as we do our class. You can also make a smaller book if you like. Just print out half-sized sheets of paper. Alright, let's go! I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and I hope you'll join me in singing along. If you want to sing along from home, I also included a playlist with all the songs that are in the book, plus a few more. See you around!